Firstly, sign up for free. You don't need a credit card and you get 2 free hours of transcription and AI summaries. Once you've signed up, log in. Just type in your email and your password as per normal. Click remember email and sign in. Once you've signed in, all you need to do is start transcribing. I do encourage you to read our FAQ on our privacy and terms of service. When you're ready, click here to upload your file and go to the folder on your PC or Mac. I'm using an interview between Robin Williams and Craig Ferguson to demonstrate. Now it's transcribed, it will output the different speakers and the text, and we can check it for accuracy. Okay, we're presented with 3 different areas. The playback and control, we can change volume, the position of the audio, in other words, how far along the recording. Set the playback speed if we want to slow down the speakers. We've got our transcript here with speaker 0 and speaker 1. Speaker 0 in this case will be Craig Ferguson. I can put that in the find and put Craig, and that will populate our document with those speakers. Now speaker 1 is Robin Williams, so we can just put Robin, and there we go, we've populated the document. We can also apply basic formatting if we want bolding and that sort of thing, but it's probably easier once you've completed the document to export as a Word document or a plain text file. You can also copy to clipboard or simply Control-A, Control-C and copy the text. To check the text, if you need a verbatim record or a highly accurate record, speech recognition will never be 100% accurate, but it's certainly worth checking. Now, if you don't need a 100% accurate transcription, you just need the gist of it, then it's probably good enough and ready to go. Now, this is an important section. This highlights the words below a certain degree of accuracy or confidence that the system has. Generally speaking, I think below about 60% is probably worth checking, and you can check it by clicking on the words.
Back my first guys today.
And then you can just identify where the errors might be.
He's it's lovely. I've been married. I'm on my.
So you can hear he's speaking quite quickly there. So I might edit that, I might not.
Yeah. Which I believe that's the way you're
meant
to
over each other. So you have the ability to check words that have a lower degree of assessed accuracy. Now, if you want really high accuracy, you're going to have to put this up to about 90% and then check it. But if you're doing general dictation, that sort of thing, probably 50% would be plenty, or it may even be good enough straight up. It really depends on the quality of the audio and how well they're speaking. Once you're done with that, you can export it straight to a Word document. And then you can do more editing if you wish. And this is what that looks like. Just a normal Word document. That sort of thing. Or as I said, you can copy it or export it as a plain text file. Now, you can get a summary of this. A summary might be useful if you just want the overall meaning of the phone call or the meeting, that sort of thing. It will provide a short, pithy summary to tell you what's going on. I'll click that now. It will take 10 minutes from my total accredited time. This is an AI-based system, which we're constantly working on and improving. There we go, there's our summary. And you can see what they're talking about, the different topics. So that can be also copied to a Word document, plain text, copied to your clipboard. If you click off it, you've also got those same settings here. So there's your summary, there's your completed transcript. You can check it as much as you need to, depending on how much accuracy you need. And that completes the task. Now, once your hours have been reduced to 0, it will prompt you to purchase additional minutes. It will also ask you occasionally for feedback, because at the moment the system is in English, but we want to bring other languages. We want to improve the AI summary, and we need your feedback for that. If you've got any questions or you want to provide other feedback, email contact@SpeechRecognition.Cloud. Thanks for dropping by.